Hi viewers, welcome back to another video in YouTube channel. The death of Sebastian Penra. They published a video of the former president helicopter over the accident area. Friends, it was published by the television Noticons site where a short movement of the aircraft is seen in Lake Ranco. Santiago child after the commotion generated in child by the death of former President Sebastian Penra due to the fall of his helicopter into a lake. The television Noticons site published a short video of the aircraft's movement in the area of Lago Ranco where the accident occurred. The Chilean Minister of Interior Carolina Toa confirmed the death of the former president when he was flying over that area, more than 900 kilometers south of the capital, Santiago, and said the President Gabriel Boric arraigned a state funeral and national mourning.